There is increasing technology. Cancer is no longer a death sentence in every single circumstance. And that's because of the advancements in biotechnologies, health and research, hospitals care, advancements in chemotherapy, and just various treatments for the C word. Now, that doesn't mean that it's all shiny and sparkly, and that there's a positive outcome in every single version of cancer, especially in the more malignant forms such as stomach cancer and others. However, with that being said, there are technologies and research that are being done into how to best take care of this horrible condition. What is cancer? It's basically cellular division out of control, mitosis out of control. Cells divide, and you get more cells. That's how cells repair. They grow. They divide. That's what our bodies are naturally programmed to do. That's a natural systems process for our bodies. Now, what can happen is, for reasons that we don't 100% understand, there are things that we know cause cancer to become worse. Genetic reasons, genetic factors, hormonal factors. There are hereditary factors, and obviously environmental factors such as smoking and other exposure to toxins can cause cells, and radiation also can cause cells to divide out of control. Now, what we have as a possibility is something called the nano knife. And what it is you get injected with this tech, and it will go to the site of the excessive growth and reproduction, the excessive mitosis, and it will break down some of the cancerous cells and stop them from, basically cauterizing them and killing them. That is a technology that's being researched now. Now, it's not perfect. There are certain there are cost preventions. There also are other considerations for why it won't work. Certain sites are harder to get to. Some cancers are more malignant and it's spread to other areas, and you may not be able to operate on all areas. But this is promising. There will come a day relatively soon where cancer is a thing of the past. In my story, the technology that flows through my protagonist's bloodstream is that solution. Everyone who has cancer could be injected with something similar to the protocol used to create him, and it would eradicate the cancerous cells. But beyond that, it could prevent cancer from ever taking place from ever happening in the first place, by preventing cells from overzealous mitosis. So just some food for thought. Cancer may be a thing of the past, along with a lot of the other things that I've suggested here. If you take a look, I did do a little bit of research. The Cancer Center has released some research into this technology, and there are different drugs that are also capable of targeting and removing or diluting cancerous cells. So there are some pretty substantial advancements, and let's keep a mind open. Thank you. Check a look below, and there will be some additional resources for you to learn more. Thank you.